In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from holding BTC in your wallet to receiving the equivalent in your chosen currency through a supported provider. Start by opening Trust Wallet and making sure you're on the latest version of the app. Updates often include security fixes and smoother checkout flows, which really matter when you're moving funds. Also, quick security reminder, never share your recovery phrase or private keys with anyone. No legitimate provider will ever ask for them. From the main dashboard, tap the Sell button. This is your starting point for converting crypto to cash within Trust Wallet's supported options. If your app is up to date and your region is supported, you'll see the sell flow right away. Next, choose your asset and select Bitcoin. Double check you're selecting native BTC on the Bitcoin network, not a wrapped version on another chain. The ticker should read BTC, and you'll typically see the standard Bitcoin logo. This helps avoid mismatches when quotes are generated by third party services. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can type a specific BTC amount or switch to a fiat preview if available to hit a target payout. Watch for any minimum or maximum limits that may appear, and keep in mind that quotes reflect live market rates. You'll usually see an estimate that includes provider fees and any network costs, so take a moment to review the numbers before moving on. When prompted, select a provider and choose the fiat currency you'd like to receive. Providers may differ by region, payout method, fees, and processing times. Compare the options you see on screen and pick the one that fits your needs, whether that's lowest fee, fastest payout, or a specific currency. Make sure the payout method, such as bank transfer, is supported by your bank and that your name matches the account to avoid delays. To finish, follow the provider's on screen verification and payout prompts. You may be asked to confirm your identity and enter bank details to comply with regulations. Carefully review the final summary before approving the sale. After submission, you'll be able to track the status within the provider's flow. Network confirmation and bank processing can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on your region and chosen service. That's it. Open Trust Wallet, tap Sell, choose Bitcoin, enter your amount, pick a provider and fiat currency, and complete the verification steps. Keep your app updated, verify all details, and you'll have a smooth cash out experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.